Hello Lit Cellar community. I'm not sure if you've noticed, but weather seems to be getting colder. Holidays are just around the corner. Snow may be coming in depending on where you are. We've been cooking up something really special and in honor of the upcoming winter season. We'd love to introduce to you our extra special holiday winter mocktail series. We're gonna have some that are cold, some that are shaken and stirred, some that are warm and cozy. Whatever your needs are, whether that be going to your holiday festivities, that's having a nice night in, we're gonna be sharing with you some amazing recipes. And the most important thing, all of these mocktails are going to include some really amazing, super powered, supercharged herbs and superfoods. They're gonna be delicious. They're gonna be so nutritive, so nourishing for your body, for your energy, for your spirits. So without further ado, I will let Chef Alex talk about our very first mocktail of the series.
We're here with our newest creation, Eggnog Hot Chocolate, and then the chocolate coconut butter. We're gonna make the newest hot chocolate creation. In here I have a cup of hot milk, whatever your preference is. You can do hot water if you really want, just a lot creamier and better. So I'm just gonna do 1/3 of a cup of the hot chocolate mix, and then a good tablespoon of the coconut butter, the chocolate coconut butter, pure chocolate goodness. So this is creamy. And if you have it, a little bit of whipped cream. There we go. Yeah.
So as you can see, that looks so tasty. I'm gonna be making it at home, but adding in a couple optional add-ins that you're gonna boost this drink to the next level, both in terms of function for your body and flavor. One is our superstar Anise Hydrosol. So amazing. Got a very good antifungal, antimicrobial, antioxidant. So we're gonna do 1 tablespoon of the hydrosol. Third, optional but highly encouraged add-in is our ginger tincture. Good for any kind of indigestion, any digestion upsets. We're gonna do 1 dropper full, and then we blend away. We've got our super amazing Eggnog Hot Chocolate with our superfood add-ins, which is the Star Anise Hydrosol and our ginger tincture. There we have it, this delicious, frothy goodness. All right. Oh, that's so nice. Oh my goodness. So, kicking off our amazing winter mocktail series. Stay tuned for more.